How to change your date of birth on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your date of birth on Facebook. So, if we go to our Facebook account now, and then go to our profile. Now, go to edit public details. Scroll all the way down and then go to edit your about info. Now again scroll down until you see the option basic info where it shows your gender and your date of birth. So previously if you tap on edit, there you could change your date of birth, but as of now you cannot change your date of birth on Facebook. So what you'll have to do in order to change your date of birth is simply go to the link provided in the description of the video, and then the link will take you to this page. Now you'll have to enter your new date of birth or your actual date of birth which you want to change. After that, select a reason for this change, and now once you've selected the reason, simply choose a file which provides a proof of your date of birth. Now it may be your citizenship, your passport, or anything like that. Simply enter a file and now tap on send. Now once you've requested a birthday change, they will usually get back to you within 1 or 2 hours and your date of birth or your Facebook birthday will be successfully changed. So that is basically how you change your Facebook birthday. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.